Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to recover your forgotten Amazon account. If you've lost access to your account, don't worry. Amazon makes it straightforward to regain control and get back to shopping or managing your orders in just a few simple steps. Let's walk through this process together. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists in the menu bar. Hover your mouse over this option, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Sign In. This will take you to the login page where you can begin the recovery process. On the Sign In page, you'll see a field prompting you to enter your mobile number or email address. Go ahead and type in the information associated with your Amazon account, then click Continue. This step helps Amazon identify your account and prepare the recovery options available to you. Now, below the password field, you'll notice a link that says Forgot Password. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. This is the key step that allows you to regain access without needing to remember your old password. Next, you'll be asked to confirm your identity. Enter either your email address or phone number that's linked to your Amazon account, then click Continue. Amazon uses this information to send you a secure verification code, ensuring that only you can reset your password. Amazon will now send a verification code to either your email or phone number depending on which option you provided. If you used your email, open your inbox and look for a message from Amazon containing the verification code. Once you find it, copy the code. Head back to the Amazon page and paste the verification code into the designated field, then click Submit Code. This confirms your identity and grants you access to create a new password for your account. Now it's time to set up your new password. In the first field, enter a strong, secure password that you'll remember. Then, re-enter the same password in the second field to confirm it. Make sure both entries match exactly to avoid any errors. Finally, click Save Changes and sign in. Amazon will update your password and automatically log you into your account. You now have full access restored and can continue using Amazon as usual. And there you have it. You've successfully recovered your forgotten Amazon account and set a new password. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.